Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your DREAME X50 Ultra. If you have any problems with the robot and you want to factory reset it, or after removing it from the app you want to reset it so you can later sell it, you can open the top lid, which is attached with magnets, so it's pretty easy to open. Then you'll need to use a tool that will be able to press and hold on this blinking button, because it's a button. I'm using this tool because I couldn't find a needle, and I'm just gonna press this light in. It's gonna take a little moment.
Restoring to factory settings.
Okay, and now it says restoring, so it may take a little moment for it to restore. I can close the lid already if I want. Let's wait a little moment for the voice prompt that you can add it to the app. You can see the lights are blinking and now the music is playing.
Welcome to use DreamRobot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download DreamHome app to view more operations.
And now it's done, so I'm gonna turn the robot off. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.